Hello, James here, and I hope you all are having a great day. In today's tutorial guide, we are going to explore how to run Stable Diffusion model called ChilloutMix. We are also going to run it online without the need of installation in our local PC, thanks to the power of Google Colab. Now, ChilloutMix is a very popular download Stable Diffusion model in Civitai. It is using Stable Diffusion 1.5 as base model. If you want to install this model in local installation, you can download the file in civitai.com. So let's get started. To begin, you will need to download a file from the provided Google Drive link. Check the description for the link. Next, open your preferred browser and search for Google Colab. Click on the first link that appears and patiently wait for the page to load. Once the page loads, a pop-up will appear. Proceed to the Upload section and click on Choose File. Select the file you downloaded in the previous step, and it will be uploaded to Google Colab. Now click the Run button located on the top left side of the screen. As I'm doing here, please allow some time, approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the process to complete. Afterwards, search for a link that looks like this and click on it. A new tab will open. And there you have it. The Stable Diffusion page will appear, ready for exploration. This method allows you to run Stable Diffusion online via Google Colab without the need for a high-performance computer or dedicated graphics card. The results are impressively fast. Now, let's try something exciting. In the prompt section, let's input some text and see what it generates. You can even try negative prompts if you want to exclude specific elements from the final result, like birds or crowds. The results look pretty good. Now let's experiment with something different. I've written a prompt to see what it generates. Feel free to come up with your prompt to make your realistic, stunning photos. That was not as amazing as expected. Let's try something funny this time. There we go. Now that's something very entertaining. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to utilize ChilloutMix model in Stable Diffusion through Google Colab. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content.